ARM stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. ARM holdings is melting. It's a bearish range. I don't think it's going to be like this forever, but for right now, sure thing is. Now, I've done 39,000 videos, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I have all the proof to back that thing up. Generally speaking, with ARM, it's just a bearish market. I mean, yeah, sure, it's bearish. Let me just come right here. But like, even with it being bearish, doesn't mean it's going to be like this forever. Like I mentioned, I'm only going to be bullish if there's like a big bull, you know, start longing markets and be overall happy about ARM if the price starts breaking about 126. But as of currently right now, this is the bearish range that we're in, and there's nothing else that I'm gonna say rather than I'll just wait. You know, there's all these better other ticker symbols that are much better trade rather than this, so stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's sauce. That's free sauce. Free.